everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that ABCD is a parallelogram, and hence we are going to find the values of x and y respectively. So let's focus on part A first. So for part A, if we know the properties of parallelogram, you would then know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are the same. They are equal to each other. And therefore, we could simply write down that angle DCB is actually equal to angle DAB, the blue color angles, because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. And so this angle DAB is equals to 72 degrees, and therefore y is equals to 72. Alright, take note of how I represent my answers. If it is angle that we are talking about, angle DCB, then I will write it as 72 degrees. But if we are simply going to write down the value of y, then there is no units for that. And the next thing to note is we are now going to find the value of x, and notice that again, if we know the properties of parallelogram, we would know that AB and CD are equal to each other, and therefore 2x is equals to 10. And from here, I will be able to gather that x will be equals to 10 divided by 2, 5. Alright, let's move on to part B of this question. We're going to solve for part B as well. Okay, so for part B, since ABCD are parallelogram, so applying what we have did previously, angle ADC is equal to angle ABC. Then the reason is they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. And so, in this case, we would have gotten that ADC and ABC, they are both equal to 126 degrees, right? And therefore, x will be equals to 126. Now, do take note that there is a special relationship between the angle y degrees BCE, this is 90 degree, and angle x, because in this case here, do take note, angle x is actually the exterior angle of triangle BCE, and there is a special relationship that connects x degree, y degree, and 90 degree, which is, so my y degree and my plus my 90 degree for angle BEC is actually equal to x degree, because x degree is the exterior angle of the triangle BCE. Exterior angle will do. And with this in mind, I will then be able to find the value of y. Because y is simply my x, which is 126, minus away my 90 to give me a final answer of 36 degrees or 36. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the values of x and y in each rhombus. And because they have let us know that this is a rhombus, we will then be able to know that all the sides of a rhombus are equal to each other. And therefore, I will be able to form equations. I know that now 3x equals to 24. 2y minus x is also equals to 24. So, I'm going to just do it slowly. I know that 3x equals to 24. This means that at this point here, do write down why are they equal to each other, okay? You could simply write down they are the sides of a rhombus. And from here, all I have to do is simply to divide by 3 on both sides. I will get the value of x. Similarly, 2y minus 6 is also equals to 24, since it is also the sides of a rhombus. So from here, I will then be able to solve for this. I plus 6 on both sides, so that I will get a 2y equals to 30. After which, just need to divide by 2 to give me the final value of y as 15. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the values of x and y in each square. And this is really important. This is one very special property when we look at the x. Do you notice that x is actually the angle that is at the diagonal? And for a square, actually there is a very special property. Okay? That this happens to be a 90-degree right angle, because the special property of a square is that the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Alright? So knowing this helps us, because then I will be able to straight away write down x is equals to 90. And the reason is simply, this is a diagonals of a square. Done. And of course, being a square, what do you think these two lengths? Are they equal? Yes, they are, because all the sides of a square are equal to each other. So from here, I will then be able to simply come up with this equation now. And this is simply because the sides of a square are equal to each other. So from here, I will be able to simply minus 2 on both sides. So 3y will be equals to 15, and after which I just need to divide by 3 on both sides to give me the final answer, 5. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that PQRS is a parallelogram. And we are also given some angles. Angle PRPQ is 40 degree here, and PQ and PR are equal in length. And from here, actually, I will be able to see that. Therefore, from here, triangle PQR or PRQ is isosceles. And isosceles triangle have a very special property in that, yes, this is what we call the base angles of an isosceles triangle. They are equal to each other. And once I know that, once I am able to get the angle PQR right, I will be able to tap on the property of parallelogram now. In that, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal to each other. So this is the key to get the base angle of triangle PRQ. Okay, so therefore angle PQR, which is equals to angle PRQ, is simply 180 degrees minus 40 degree, and I'm going to divide by 2 because the base angles are equal to each other. So this one, I just need to indicate that this is because of the base angle of a isosceles triangle. And this will give me a value of 70 degrees. And from here, we could then gather that angle PSR, which is this angle, is equal to angle PQR because they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. And if they are equal, I will be able to get the value of x already, 70. Do notice that I did not put a degree to the value of x because we are talking about a value here and not the angle per se. And if we are talking about angle PSR, then yes, 70 degrees. Alright, in case you are wondering, okay? We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. welcome to this video where we are going to have to find the sum of interior angles for the following polygons. So for the first one is heptagon, and when we attempt such questions, it is very important to ask yourself, how many sides does that polygon has? Okay, so in this case, 7 sides. And for a nonagon, it is 9 sides. Alright, so with that in mind, then I will have to draw back on my knowledge of the sum of interior angles. Is simply the number of sides, n is the number of sides of the polygon, minus 2 times 180 degrees. Okay, and from here, part A is simply for this sum of angle of interior angle is simply then 7, because 7 is the number of sides. Minus 2, I just need to multiply by 180. That will give me 900 degrees. Done. For part B, is therefore using the same formula, but in this case, the number of sides is n. Okay, and this will give me a value of 1260 degrees. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to find the value of x in each diagram here. So as we look at part A, the very first question you need to ask yourself is, how many sides does this figure has? A, B, C, D, 4-sided figure. And straight away, by applying what we know for a 4-sided quadrilateral, the interior angle adds up to 360 degrees. That is the property of a 4-sided figure quadrilateral. And so for part A, all we have to do is simply, x is simply then 360 minus my 65 minus my 61 and minus the 130. So this is x. I just need to minus away these 3 angles since they add up to 360. And the reason for this is because this will give me a value of 104, and of course, why do we use 360 degree? Because it is the angle sum of a quadrilateral. Quad for short. For part B, we do need to again remember what's the first question you need to ask yourself? Yes, how many sides does this polygon has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And therefore, the very first step here would then be is to find the sum of interior angles for this polygon. since I know it's 5 side, 5 minus 2 times 180 degree. This will give me 554 degrees. And now I know already. Yeah. For this x, I just need to know that the interior angles add up to 540 degree, meaning that in order to find my x, I am going to use my 540 minus away my 116, 112, 125, and 79 to give me the final value of 108. Notice that when I present my answer for value of x, I do not put a degrees unit because, or symbol, because we are talking about a value of x and not angle EDC. Okay, there's a difference, alright? With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everybody, welcome to this video where we are given two diagrams and we are supposed to find the value of x. Something is very important here is that do notice all the angles for part A happens to be exterior angles. And there is something really important to remember is that the exterior angle sum of a polygon is equal to 360 degrees. Meaning that actually x 112 and 101, they add up to 360 degrees. So for part A, right, if we know that, right, x is simply 360 minus 101 minus 112 to give me 147. And the reason for this is because we tap on this knowledge of 360 as the exterior angle sum of a polygon. So do write it down to let people know where this 360 come from. Yeah. So using that, I also saw that for part B, angle x is an exterior angle. Is outside. 72 is also. 113 is, but we are not given the exterior angle of the angle P. We are given the interior angle, which is 90 degree. What does this mean? This means that this is also 90 because it is a straight line, yeah? So I will then be able to know that the last exterior angle is 90 degree. And so for part B, x is 360 minus 72 minus 113 and minus 90 to give me 85. So I write down the reason why this 360 comes upon. Do remember that the exterior angle of all the polygon, they always sums up to 360 degree. And we can make use of that property to solve problems like this. Yeah? We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given an octagon. The moment I see this, straight away I need to know how many sides does an octagon has. It is an 8-sided figure. Because at the back of my mind, I saw the interior angle. It has 7 each. And find the last one. So, right, for this question, right, notice that even if I do not know octagon has 8 sides, I could easily guess from here 7 and remaining total is 8. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay? So the next thing is, please remember that the sum of the interior angles for polygon is always n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree, where the n is the number of sides. That is the reason why Mr. Tan here is always asking himself, how many sides does that polygon has? Because that will allow us to find the total sum of the interior angle. Yeah? So if they tell me 7 of them is 140 each, and I need to know the remaining one, the very first thing is I do need to know the sum of the interior angle for this octagon. How many sides again? 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees. And this will give me a value of 1040 degrees. And so, in order to find the size of the remaining angle, so the remaining angle is simply 1040 degrees. I'm going to minus away 140 degree, but this is only for one. How many of the 140 degrees do we have? We have 7 of them. And this will give me a final answer of 100 degrees. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that ABCD is a regular pentagon and the diagram is given. Regular is a very important word because the word regular tells us that the interior angle are equal. That means they have equal interior angles and equal sides. Okay, so with that knowledge in mind, right, I will then be able to get x fairly easily because knowing that it is a pentagon helps. Please also do remember that the sum of interior angles for any polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degree, where n is the number of sides. So in this case, right, the sum of the interior angles for ABCD, E, pentagon, 5-sided figure, minus 2 times 180 degree. This will give me 540. And therefore, I will be able to get my x, because x is one of the 5 interior angles. And all the interior angles are the same. So I just need to divide by 5. I will get 108. Let's move on to find the value of y then. Because I saw that there's a very important word down there that says AB and DC are produced. This means that this is a straight line. This is also a straight line. And because I know this is a straight line, this y and this angle here, this is also another interior angle, yes? And we all know that the interior angle are the same since they are regular polygon. So for y, right, it's also pretty straightforward. It's simply 180 minus away my 108, because it is a adjacent angles on a straight line. This will give me 72. Last but not least, do take note that angle X is actually the exterior angle of this triangle. And so, angle X is simply angle Y degrees plus Z degrees. Okay? Exterior angle of a triangle. So Z is simply equals to 108x minus y. This is an exterior angle of a triangle. So x is 108, y is 72, z will be 36. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.